Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change the banner of your YouTube channel. So there are basically two ways on how you can do it. The first one is by going to your YouTube studio. You can simply go here by typing studio.youtube.com. Now, once you're on this page, scroll down and then go to customization. After that, you can go to branding and then select a banner image right over here. But the second method is by simply going to your YouTube. After that, tap on your profile icon on the top right corner. Now go to your channel, and after that click on customize channel. So it will take you to the same page as we went through YouTube Studio. So these are the two ways on how you can get to this page. Now once you're in this page, simply go to branding. After that, under banner image, simply click on upload and then select your YouTube channel banner. And now once you've selected it, simply click on done. And there you have it. You have successfully changed the banner of your YouTube channel. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.